Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a What's in the Box for Polaris's Skimbot. Stay tuned, we're going to dive in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, we've got a brand new product for you guys. It's Polaris's Skimbot. So this is a solar powered skimmer for your pool. Use it for your above ground pool, your in-ground pool, doesn't matter. Small little body of water, this thing will buzz around and pick up all that surface level debris. So I'm gonna open this thing up and kind of show you guys what all comes included so you guys know what to expect. So again, really cool new product. There's a ton of these out there, but obviously this one's backed by the Polaris brand name, which is really nice. So monster box and super big basket. So let's get into this and show you guys. I'm gonna lay this thing down. Really nice packaging. They make sure this thing comes nice and sturdy for you guys. Foam on every corner, so that way you guys don't have to worry about anything breaking. Let's move the bag out of the way. Is that all in the box? Pretty good. All right. Skimbot. Look at this thing. This thing is massive. So double solar panels up top. Doesn't have a rechargeable battery that you guys can actually physically plug in. So it does have an internal battery to operate during the night. I've been told with a full day of sun, this thing will operate for anywhere between 14 to 20 hours. So it'll get you guys all the way through the night to get that nice good skim of the pool. Let's see if I can open this today, man. Don't even know how to open it. So I was wrong. I thought the top would open similar to some of the other skimmers that are out there. This one just has a slide out basket. So really nice. You guys can see huge. This will hold a lot of debris. So if you guys got a lot of big heavy leaves, pine needles, it's got a really good fine mesh here. So it'll grab a lot of different products. So there are a lot of different debris, which is really nice. So again, then you guys can just empty this out, spray it off, and it should just slide right back in. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's got a nice little track in there, which is really cool. You guys can kind of see it here. It slides out and slides back in. It's got the notorious Polaris blue all over it, that nice pretty light blue. And then right here in the front is where you get those giant propellers. This is what's going to drive this thing as it's going around and help push all that debris up on top of the basket. And I mean, it's pretty straightforward. They did give us a bag here in chat. Of course, just warranty information for you guys. This thing is around the price mark of roughly $500, but I do know that they have a lot of good rebates for it. So if you guys want more information, just make sure you give us a call at the support line, visit us in the store. We can definitely give you guys more information about the rebate process, but it's pretty straightforward. It's just a solar skimmer. The sun's going to charge it. Once it's got a nice battery charge, you'll just hold the power button on. It'll fire up. Obviously right now it just came fresh out of the box, so it doesn't have any charge in it. So once you get some good sun on it, then these things will start spinning up. It does have nice rubber bars all along the outside to make sure that it can catch those corners and bounce out without, you know, causing any damage to your cool deck or your tile. And I was also told that it does have a reverse mode. So if for some reason it does hit a dead corner, it does know to back itself out and continually move around the pool rather than just keep trying to ram into a corner that it can't get out of. So that's actually a really cool feature outside of, you know, having a remote or having to go out and constantly move it out of the corner. But pretty straightforward, really awesome product. Highly recommend it, especially for those that don't have the time or the pool guy out there to be able to get all that debris off the surface. This thing will do it for you, especially for above grounds that don't necessarily have a good skimmer, or you're tired of going out there and constantly having to empty your skimmer basket. This thing is a great addition to just toss into the pool and let it do its thing. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. That's all that comes included. This is the Polaris Skimbot, and I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.